Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to Shazam app not working on iPhone after iOS 17 fixed. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, turn off bold text. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on display and brightness. You can see appears on screen. Broadcast toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is update your Shazam app. Firstly, tap on App Store, search Shazam app, open the Shazam app, check the app updates. If updates are available, update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network setting. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings to this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to Shazam app not working on iPhone after iOS 17 fixed is successfully. That's it. If a video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.